Hi friends, today we are going to see a very nice speech on National Science Day. Let's start. Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are here to celebrate National Science Day. So, on this occasion, I would like to speak few words about this great day. National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February every year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman on 28th February 1928. He was an Indian physicist. He was popularly known as C.V. Raman. National Science Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm across India. In 1930, C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics and also awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1954. Raman was the first Asian person to receive a Nobel Prize in the branch of science. Some of the light that is deflected changes in wavelength. This phenomenon is now called Raman scattering and is the result of Raman effect. The NCSTC, that is National Council for Science and Technology Communication, requests the Indian government to designate 28th February as National Science Day in 1986. The Government of India accepted the request and since 28th February is celebrated as National Science Day of India. The first National Science Day of India was celebrated on 28th February 1986. C.V. Raman, he was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli. Raman born to a Tamil Brahmin parents. His father was a physics teacher in a college. In 1902, he joined Presidency College in Madras. After 2 years, he did degree from the University of Madras and secured gold medals in physics and English. He published the first scientific paper on topic unsymmetrical diffraction bands due to rectangular aperture at the age of 18 in the British Journal. The National Science Day is celebrated to appreciate the efforts of individuals and organizations. National Science Day spread a message about the significance of scientific applications in the daily life of the people. National Science Day 2022 theme is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. The theme was launched by Dr. Jitendra Singh. Thank you very much.